Team Scrummy Bears, here to present Deliverable 8, Sprint number 4. My name is Manasi Kulkarni, and here with me is Stav Sethi. There were 2 user stories within this sprint. The first user story was to record client deliveries where we utilize Salesforce Process Builder to try to automate the process. The intent is to create a client interaction record for each client at 6 p.m. on the date of delivery based on their delivery day. However, our team ran into a few impediments which did not allow us to complete this task successfully. Our first task was to add to the schema builder on Salesforce and add the client interaction, and delivery route objects. We added all of the attributes for client and their corresponding formulas. We added the same for client interaction and delivery route, as well as established the relationships between the 3 objects. After that, we had to change the page layouts for each of those objects, and then we added records to the tables. For example, for delivery routes, we added a delivery route that goes downtown. You can see the neighborhood and delivery day. We added a process through Process Builder called Record Client Deliveries. This process starts when a client record is created or edited. The first issue we ran into was defining the criteria and conditions to execute. We knew that we would need to add 2 conditions to every case. The first is that delivery date is equal to a specific date. The second condition we have not gotten done is supposed to check whether the date today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and etc. However, we have not been able to add both of these conditions. We simply have been able to add either one or the other. Our group needs to work more on adding these conditions properly. After the conditions are checked, we did succeed in getting the actions right. For example, if the day today is Monday and the client's delivery date is also Monday, it needs to create a new record with delivery status automatically set to delivered, delivery date set to today, and the client ID set to the reference client ID. We repeated that for every single weekday, Monday through Friday. We have successfully implemented the actions component of the process. However, our conditions specifically that specify whether what day it is and what time it is have not been met yet. For example, to see how this process works, we are going to create a new client. We can also add their name, status, address, coordinates, phone number, youth count, adult count, and senior count. In addition, we are also able to add their route ID. Because of this process that we have made, every new client record created has a client interaction record. You can see the delivery date, delivery status, and the client ID associated with it. The next use case is called Record Missed and Redone Deliveries, and this use case requires us to select a customer and a date and edit the record from successfully delivered to missed or redone. We currently can select a customer and a client interaction ID. However, it is not in the layout that we would like it to be. We plan to create a community in the next sprint to edit this layout from it only showing IDs to the dates as well. Next, you can click on the client interaction ID and edit it from successfully delivered to missed or redone. Based on both of the acceptance criteria that were associated in this sprint were not completely met. However, our team is actively working to make sure that these changes will be taken care of as we discussed. Thank you.